Alright, so if you watch my prior video, you'll see that I'd bought this Waterboss gun off of eBay, and I'm going to compare it with the General Pump washdown gun. So first off, I'm not telling you guys anything you already don't know. Is this gun in the hand, I usually hold my hose like this and spray like this. So I'm only holding the gun up basically in a little bit of hose and water. The difference in weight is a lot. I didn't think it'd be that much difference, but it is. So if you're shooting this thing for, hours on end, it's a big difference. The second thing that I immediately noticed, even after a fresh lube of this gun, is the drawback pressure here. I don't know what it is, but I calibrated my hand, and I can tell you that it's at least 50%. It's between 40 and 50% drawback pressure compared to this one. Now, I don't know if this one needs that extra spring pressure because of the type of seal it has, but this is much easier to pull. I mean, it's feather light. I think Pressure Washing Channel, the guy on there said this ring right here gets in the way. I'd have to agree, because you'll slide up like this and it's going to stay on. So, you can take that off. So I'm going to be taking that off, because I noticed that I just practiced around here on my house, and my little test area here is standing right here with the blue gun. And if you guys go back on some of my videos, you'll see that it shoots just to the opposite curb of that street, which is right at 60 feet, 58 to 60 feet. And I can also shoot way over that telephone pole with this. Do I know what that distance is or height? Nope. But I can tell you that this gun does every bit as good. So I'm trying to find the other tip. Got it in my pocket. So originally this came with the larger orifice, and it has a plus on it right here somewhere. Right there it says plus. Now, the performance was virtually the same as the blue gun with the plus in it. And when I say performance, I'm talking about nozzle out. The rest of the gun being lighter and easier trigger pull has got the, General Pump guns beat. So then I put the smaller orifice in, and I did not lose any distance, but I get a better fan pattern atomization on the cone, and that's what I'm after. But putting the smaller orifice in, it does pinpoint and hit harder. So I'm liking that for like knocking mud dauber nests down and paper wasp nests down. So I'm liking that. So of course, the swivel I put on here doesn't come with it, but that's a Mosmatic swivel, excellent swivel. These guns, this is a 1/2 inch gun, come tapped for a 1/2 inch. You can get them tapped for a 3/8 of an inch. And from what I can tell online through the repair parts, is the internals, there's no difference in the diameter. It's just what they tap this fitting with. It's either going to be 3/8 or a 1/2 inch. So I usually buy 1/2 inch accessories and then bush them down. So here's the bush, 1/2 to 3/8, because I want better flow through my gun. But I don't think you're going to have that problem with this. So if you have all 3/8 stuff here, just go ahead and buy a 3/8 gun, and then that'll eliminate a bushing. But that's, I had 1/2 inch, so I bought a 1/2 inch. But anyway, let me fire this up and show you what it does. I can tell that those droplets are much smaller. It's a finer spray. And the reason I wanted a finer spray is because the general pump gun put material on so fast and so heavy, which really isn't a problem, but this will cut down on leakers. Is just bring it on and oh, it's so nice. I can put soap on about that fast. So I'm going to guess that peak is 10, 22 to 25 feet up. And if you listen, you can hear it hitting that hard. Right up in those peaks is where a lot of your wasp nests are. And so this is going to take it down. Definitely hitting harder than the general pump. So, very impressed with it. Standing here, it goes to the curb, opposite curb. Actually it went farther than the curb. If you watch my other videos, the general pump goes right here. So I've gained 5-6 feet. So, you know, that's non-scientific, but 5 or 6 feet, it makes a difference on some of the duplexes I've washed. Way over that pole. The cone, the pattern is perfect. So I'm going to say that's a winner right there. I can't wait to use that on a house. Like I said on my prior video, you can get these guns. Now they're rated for 300 pounds. They have a 750 model that's rated for 750 pounds. But to be honest, I couldn't really see any difference in internals, and most I run on this is 300 pounds. No need to get the 750. But if you want to get the 750, you can. I'm not sure they're on eBay for $67. But man, I'm impressed. I mean, it was a game changer. It was a game changer putting this gun on. This is a little better. So for this virtually the same price or cheaper, then you can put this Waterboss on. So show you how to change the tip out. It was really easy. I just took this off and I click that a little bit, and I'll put my fingernail right in here. Well, maybe. Now call me a liar here. Got my fingernail in here. Okay. So I'm gonna put my knife right there, like that. That's how easy it is to change the tip or orifice size. Put that on, and I did put some silicone grease here. It was dry. Put some silicone grease there, and that's as easy. So it comes with 2 orifices, a standard and a smaller one, and I think I'm going to end up using the smaller one, but I'll keep the big one just in case. But so far so good. So anyway, please like and subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.